Hi, welcome to another one of my videos. This one is going to be kind of like a 12-month update on this particular Worx 40 volt battery powered lawnmower. I did an initial video on this when I first got it, which I can't remember exact time, must be around 18 months ago now. So I just thought I'd do kind of like a 12-month or 18-month update on how it's going. It's still working fine. It chews through batteries at a higher rate, I've noticed, than I think it used to, or perhaps I'm a little bit more lazy and don't do the lawn quite as often as I should. On the first cut of the year, it definitely struggles on grass that's 6 inches long. I have found the easiest way to do it is to take the grass box off, remove the grass box, wedge the top cover here open, and basically cut the lawn without collecting the grass. That seems to be the best way of stopping the blades from clogging. The chute where the grass is ejected through here, it just clogs very easily. I don't know why, because it's quite large. Perhaps it's a bit overly large, or it could be that the actual blades, the air moving sections, the propeller area, isn't particularly effective at moving very much air. So that's one of the little issues I've had with it. That's probably the only issue I've had with it. It definitely prefers the higher capacity 36 watt hour cells over the 27 watt hours, which is understandable. The 27 watt hours seem to be lacking in actual total capacity, so when you're pushing it over thick grass, the motor slows down more readily and has to increase its throughput from the cells. But I don't think the cells, the 27 watt hours, can take the maximum capacity that this mower will kind of draw from the cells. So definitely the 36 watt hour cells are better. They do a 72 watt hour cell as well. I suspect that's probably better still, but they're quite large and quite expensive, and I've got plenty of the smaller ones, so I don't really worry about that. Just in case you're interested, the model number on this is a WG779.2. I'm not sure what the 0.2 refers to, but I suspect it is referring to the fact that it actually came as a kit with a strimmer, which actually is fine. The strimmer works just as well as it did when I got it, only this morning it ran out of line, which actually is the first time I've had to change the line or had to refill it. I don't have any of the right size, so I can't do it. But it's the first time since we've got the mower and the strimmer as a combination set, so I'm quite impressed with that. The only other main issue I've had going from a couple of 100cc petrol lawnmower, 6 horsepower petrol, to this is the width of the cut on this is very much smaller. It's only 34 centimeters. I think my old lawnmower was 62 centimeters, so this is almost half as wide, so it's, you know, it's not a huge cut. And this being so light, it claims 11.2 kilos, so it's about 20 pounds or so, isn't it? It doesn't actually make a mark in the grass you've cut, so it's very difficult to identify where you've been. See, if I scan up the lawn, you almost can't see where I've been. I like it to lay lines, you see, you can just about make up the stripes kind of there and there, but it's quite difficult to follow where you've been because it doesn't actually leave any wheel marks in the lawn, whereas my old heavy, well, probably 35-40 kilo petrol mower would leave 2 wheel imprints actually in the grass, so you could follow, so you could keep nice straight lines. Other than that, that's the only issues I had with it. I'm getting to grips with how it goes through cells. All my cells I mark in, or battery packs I should say, I mark in sets, so these are coloured, so this is a pair. When I receive them, I always check the serial numbers. Works very conveniently put serial numbers on the cells, so I pair them up, mark them so that I can identify them, and I'll always only ever use them as a pair. I do that just force of habit, really. I just think it's a good idea to balance cells, keep them balanced. So far it's worked. The rest of the controls are pretty good. It's nice and light, which is good now that I'm getting older. It's nice to have a nice light lawnmower. And you know, it's just a general good all-round lawnmower. And we've got quite a large lawn. I don't know exactly how large it is, but it's about 15 metres by 10 metres, so it's quite a large area. It's certainly bigger than the couple of hundred square metres that this is designed for. Yeah, I'm quite happy with it. It's nice and quiet, it's nice and light. The wife can use it without any trouble. It's nice and easy to switch on. Once you get used to the funny key arrangement, it does have this kind of like safety lock. If you pull the lever directly, it doesn't do anything. You have to move this key to the right, which then engages the cam and it'll fire up. So other than that took some getting used to, but yeah, it's nice, it's fairly easy. It's just a small, lightweight battery lawnmower, and as I charge my cells via solar, it's free to run as well. So for me, it's all good. Hope this is useful to anybody. Thanks for watching.